Welcome to day number 148 of vlogging. So, like I said, this is vlog 2 out of 9 today. I've already uploaded the last one. This vlog, I'm going to talk about how much has the rain that has been going on in New Orleans these past 2 weeks since I haven't been vlogging. So we just had a big storm come through and it's still not over. So that's been happening. That's why my light's on. I usually have this light on at night. That's my night lamp when I do work and stuff, but now I have that light on all day because it's dark outside. So I woke up at 4 o'clock because I couldn't go back to sleep with all the chaos. School was closed. Today is Friday. School closed today. So found that out last night at 9 p.m. Right now it's 10:36 and I still have my lamp on. I usually turn it off by 8 a.m. But no. So, yeah, so see you in a little while with a new vlog. Peace!